Okay guys, it's Train Spotter HD and welcome back to another new video at Exeter St David's on this Wednesday morning. Another reason why I'm here at St David's on this Wednesday morning is there's going to be a steam tour coming down from Bristol Meads going to Kingswear. At this time it's going to be called by the Sherwood Ulster. I think that's how you say it. Let me know if I'm still saying it wrong. So yeah, there'll be a steam tour coming down to Kingswear. Yeah, I thought I'd come down there and record it, but I thought at the same time I might as well make a video as well here at St David's. Yes, I'm here at St David's again, but I had a look at the possible destinations I might have gone to today. Starcross, I probably would have gone there, but I might be there on the weekend. I had a look at Tiverton Parkway, not really busy. And I had a look at Taunton as well. Taunton was too dear for me anyway. So unfortunately it has to be St David's again. But I will be mixing up on the weekend. Like I said, I'll be going to Starcross either Saturday or Sunday. And another destination locally as well on the weekend as well. So I actually won't be making any videos on the weekend here at St David's. Would you believe that? That'd be a first. But you know, I always try and mix it up, guys. I know that I do get one or two comments saying I always record at St David's, I always record at St David's. I know that, I get that, guys. I do try my best to mix it up, but I hope you all do appreciate the videos that I do make. Obviously I'm on the road to 900 subscribers, not too far off from that, about another 20 odd subscribers away. So yeah, so in this video you'll be seeing services from South Western Railway, Cross Country and Great Western Railway in this video. Now the steam tour I'm planning to probably record in a separate video, I don't know yet. So yeah, that is the state of play today, guys. So as always, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. One 159001 and 159007. Go to the new yard. We got a Cross Country HST there, just going out. 43285 at the back. I think it was the 43304 at the front. And we have a Great Western Railway service Exeter down the line there as well, which looks like that one's about to leave as well. 150219 is at the back. Also, won't have time for it to see it go out from the front area, unfortunately. Yeah, should be made for a good video, guys. Lovely sunny day as well. Don't normally do a video at St David's during midweek. Obviously, I'm normally at work, but as today there's a steam tour coming down, like I said, I might as well make a video of it.
Taunton and Bristol Temple Meads. This train has 4 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in Zone 10. Standard class in Zones 7 to 9.
Would you believe? We're actually going to record a boarder, guys. 220003 is the number on the train. This Cross Country service is actually from Payton going to Bristol Meads. So yeah, can't remember the last time I actually recorded a boarder. So yeah, there we go. I think we may have a Payton service coming in shortly. Doesn't look like he's going to come yet, so we'll come back in a few seconds. So we do have the Payton service coming in, and it's for another turbo. 166,209. So just, oh, you got the cross-country service to Bristol Town Meads now leaving. That one's actually on time. So what I was about to say, guys, is that obviously, like I said, I'll try and mix things up when recording videos. I know I record here quite a lot, but obviously this is just my main home station. I do have a long planned trip for July the 3rd, so I look forward to that, and hopefully all of you will look forward to that. I'm not going to say where though. I'm going to make you, you know, make you wait, because that's just, you know, I'm evil. So yeah, but yeah, I will be out on a long distance trip on July the 3rd. So just to say, it'll be a station I haven't recorded that yet either. So yeah, obviously I want to try and get the stations I haven't recorded that yet either. So yep, we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, coming in now will be a terminating service from Penzance, Great Eastern Railway, for another castle set. (43,022). And 43,009 at the back. Actually, this castle set doesn't have any nameplates. That's a bit of a surprise. There she is. So that turbo will be leaving in a few minutes time, so we'll come back then. Okay, back to the park now will be the 11 o'clock Great Eastern Railway service to Paignton. On time, as you would probably expect. And that paying service is going straight to Dawlish, so it's a semi-fast service, that one. There she goes. Oh, Great Western Railway Service Exeter coming in, guys. 150,233. And 150,265. Looking quite filthy at the front. Interestingly, as you look at the door on that, it's looking clean. That's what it's supposed to look like if the train's clean. That is quite weird, the door being nice and clean, but the sides of it looking filthy. Anyway, there she is. Okay guys, coming in now will be a Great Eastern Railway service to London Paddington. Only a 5 coach one on this one then. Interesting. 802011. Yep, and that train is really packed as well. I'm glad I'm not going on that one. Seem to record the Captain Robert Falcon Scott IET every time. Is this my follower now, the 802011? That's the Exeter train going out, and then we got the Barnstable train coming in, guys. Another IET just arrived behind me as well, going to Plymouth. This has got 158798. This is going to Barnstable. On this IET is a 10 coach one apparently. 802021 is at the front of that. So come back shortly once it goes out. $802,003 at the back.
Calling at Exeter St Thomas, Starcross, Dawlish Warren, Dawlish, Tinman, Newton Abbot, Torquay and Paignton. This train has 3 coaches.
Got another turbo, guys. This time 166.202. This will be working the 11:30 service to Paignton. We have a South Western Railway service over on platform 1. We'll be going to London Waterloo shortly. That's only got 3 coaches now. It's assuming it uncoupled the South Western Railway train in the new yard, it did. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, you got the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo now going out. Just a 3 coach one now, 159007. Lovely bit of a smoky cloud coming out of there.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
There she goes. Okay guys, we got that castle set now going back out to Penzance. Gotta love a castle set. Okay guys, we got the 11:30 service to Paynton back to depart. Obviously this is 8202, doing the honours for the service.
Platform 5 will be the 11:38 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. This is the service from Paynton.
As you just heard guys, we got a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington coming in from Paynton.
Platform 5 of the 11:38 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Calling at Taunton, Castle Carey, Westbury, Pewsey, Newbury, Reading and London Paddington. This train has
802-104. Here she is. We just had the 158 and 950 just turned up. You'll be working a Great Western Railway service to Exeter Central from Barnstaple. So we'll see that go out. We should have a South Western Railway service terminating in from London Waterloo shortly as well. So yeah, we'll come back shortly with those trains. Okay, we've got that terminating South Western Railway service for London Waterloo coming in. Just a free coach on this one. 159009 is the number on the train. Looking a bit filthy, could do with a wash. Yeah, could definitely do with a wash. I'm going to keep the camera rolling for the 158 950 going to Exeter Central. I think the 950's been down here for a while, so yeah. There she is. Okay guys, we got a 158 coming in from Paynton to Exmouth. Oh, it's actually a 158 and 150 combo. So my calculations right, that should be 158763, or was it 767? One 158767 at the front. and 150-266 at the back. We'll be at the front now once it leaves. Nice to see a 158 and 150 combo. You don't often see it. Not all the time, at least, anyway. Okay, guys, well, we get to see 3 turbos. And this is an empty coach and stop movement from Newton Abbot to Exeter St David's. It will obviously go through St David's and go and park up on to the bay platform, platform 2. So the number on this turbo is 166-210. And we got the extra service now leaving. Weird that the 158767 doesn't actually have the logo there. It does have the logo on the other side of the 158, but not that side. Pretty weird that is, actually. I have to admit.
Text the British Transport Police on 61016. Wheel sorted. See it, say it, sorted.
Okay, guys, coming now. We are terminating Great Eastern Railway service from Penzance. Looks like it's formed up another castle set. This will be turning onto platform 1, which is a bit different. You can always see the castle set terminating on platform 6. So we are coming towards the end of the video, guys. About 1 or 2 more trains I want to get on camera before ending the video. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. .43004 Carfilly Castle nameplate at the front, and the 43041 at the back with the oh, I've forgotten the castle at the back. St Catherine's, that's it. St Catherine's nameplate at the back. So there she is. So like 1 or 2 more trains to end the video on. It'll be a cross-country service to Plymouth, and then I may try and record the Great Eastern Railway service from London Paddington to Paignton. So we'll come back shortly with those trains. Okay, so we got a Great Eastern Railway service to Paignton coming in. I don't think I've recorded this, so I'll go record this one, guys. 150-219 at the front. I'll be at the back once it leaves. And 239 will be at the front. And 239, as always, is looking filthy. Does it ever get a wash? Okay, guys, well, back with the last train of the video. There's a cross-country service to Plymouth. 221141 is at the front. Catching up at the back shortly. 22010 at the back. So as she goes out, I'm going to leave it here at Exeter St David's on this Wednesday morning. It's about midday now, so yeah. Hope you all enjoyed the video, guys. Got to say, a very nice selection of trains today from Vorges. I think we just saw that the cross country HST on 158 and 150 combo. We saw the turbos and 150s. So yeah, very nice, good video. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick around and record the steam tour that's going to Kingswear. Obviously I'll record that in a separate video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And until next time, from me here at a very sunny Exeter St David's, I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.